What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset, also known as a hard reset, your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, we make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's get right to it. So I'm going to show you two methods to factory reset, also known as a hard reset, your Samsung Galaxy. First, I'll show you how to do it through the settings if you can get into your phone. And then I'll also show you how to do it in the event that you have a password and you can't get into the phone. By doing the hard reset with the buttons here, you'll be able to completely reset it and bypass the password so that you can start using your phone normally again. All right, so first off, I'm going to show you how to do it through the settings. So go ahead and find your settings. Here in settings, you're going to scroll down, all the way down to general management, which will be towards the bottom. Okay, once you select it, you're going to scroll all the way down again. And over here, you're going to notice reset. Okay, that's the option we're going to select, reset. And then all the way at the bottom, once again, we're going to see factory data reset. So that's the one we're going to select. Here, it's just going to let you know a few things that doing a factory reset will erase everything on your phone back to its factory condition. So all of these apps will be installed and all of your data will be erased. So before doing this, if there is data on your phone that you want to keep, make sure to back it up first. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit reset down here. It's going to ask you for your password one more time, and then go ahead and hit continue, and the reset process will begin. All right, so now I'm going to show you the second method, and this is in the event that it's locked and you have a password and you can't get into it. Maybe you've put in the password wrong too many times. Let's see if you put it in, okay, like this. See, it says too many incorrect attempts. Try again in a couple seconds. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to press and hold volume down and the power lock button right here, or Bixby button now that it's called. We're going to hold it until the phone screen blacks out. Once the phone screen blacks out like this, we're going to continue holding for 5 more seconds, and then we're going to release. And after we release, we're going to go ahead and press volume up. And after pressing volume up, we're going to go ahead and press and hold both volume up and the power lock button for about 40 seconds. So yes, it does take a little bit long to get into the Android recovery mode, but it does work. All right, so let's go ahead and do it now. So both volume down and power lock button until the phone turns off. Okay, then we're going to count 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Volume up and then power lock button, and hold them both for about 40 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wow, so it did take a lot longer than 40 seconds. It took, I would say, about 50 to 55 seconds, but you get the picture. Just continue to hold them. After the Samsung logo appears, if you're still holding, it should show you this screen. Once you see this come out, you have to let go of both buttons. But this is the Android recovery screen that we need to get to. There you go. So once you're here, you're going to scroll around with the volume buttons. So we're going to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, which will be right there. And then once you're there, confirm with that power button or Bixby button. Okay, and then here, you're going to scroll down to factory data reset. Once again, confirm with the power lock button. And as you can see, it says data wipe complete down here. So once you see that, you can press the power lock button once again to reboot the phone. As you can see, it says reboot system now. So now we're just going to give it a couple seconds for the phone to boot back on, but the reset process was complete. And there we go, the phone has booted on, and as you can see, it says welcome, and we are at the initial setup here of the device. So here we can go ahead and hit start, and then go through all of the setup options here to get the phone set up and start using it normally again. All right, everyone, there you go. So that is how you perform a factory reset, also known as a hard reset, on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. So go ahead and destroy the like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know if it did. Still holding on to an old device? Well, with Redevice, you can get an instant price and sell it in seconds. No hassle work, no guesswork. And if you're upgrading, you can shop certified devices too. Check it out at Redevice, link down below. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.